In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are metatags. Metatags are simple instructions written inside square brackets that tell a singer, producer, or songwriter how a song should be structured or performed. Think of them as stage directions for music. They guide what comes next and how it should feel, helping you shape song sections, vocal style, energy changes, instrument drops, and emotional shifts without writing long explanations. You'll see them written like verse, chorus, or bridge, and they sit directly in your lyric sheet or session notes. Start with metatags for structure. These mark the roadmap of your song and keep everyone aligned. Common tags include intro, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, bridge, and outro. Labeling sections this way makes it easy to arrange ideas and track the flow from beginning to end. You can also guide vocal delivery with vocal style metatags. Use tags like soft vocals when you want an intimate tone, powerful chorus for a soaring hook, falsetto for a lighter texture, whispered for a close, breathy feel, or rap verse to shift into rhythmic phrasing. These cues help a vocalist understand intention before they even sing a note. To control dynamics in production, add energy-focused tags. Options like beat drop, instrumental break, build up, slow down, or acoustic version. Tell the producer when to lift, pause, or strip things back. This keeps your arrangement intentional and prevents clutter. Emotional meta tags shape the mood. Use emotional, dramatic, dark tone, or happy vibe to signal the overall feel of a section. These tags influence both delivery and production choices, ensuring lyrics and sound design match the sentiment. You can combine tags for more precision. For example, intro, soft piano, verse 1, calm vocals, pre-chorus, build-up, chorus, powerful, energetic, bridge, emotional, stripped instrumental, final chorus, big dramatic. Stacking a section label with a brief style note gives clear direction while keeping the text readable. A few important rules will keep your meta tags effective. Keep tags clear and simple so they're easy to scan. Don't overload a single section with too many tags. One or two well-chosen notes usually do the job. Always place the tag directly before the lyrics of that section, so there's no confusion. Use consistent formatting, like square brackets and the same capitalization style across your entire document, and avoid random or contradictory tags that don't make sense for the song. With these guidelines, meta tags become a powerful, lightweight tool to communicate your musical vision quickly and clearly,